Introducing the enchanting and captivating Mystical Mule cocktail recipe, a magical blend of premium vodka, blueberry liqueur, lime juice, and ginger beer that will transport your taste buds to a realm of extraordinary flavors. This mystical concoction is the perfect choice for those seeking a premium cocktail experience with a touch of whimsy. To create this spellbinding elixir, gather the following ingredients: 2 ounces of premium vodka, 1 ounce of blueberry liqueur, 1 ounce of lime juice, a pinch of sea salt, 3 ounces of ginger beer, and edible glitter for a dazzling garnish. Begin by combining the premium vodka, blueberry liqueur, lime juice, and a pinch of sea salt in a shaker. Allow the vibrant flavors to harmonize as you gently shake the mixture. Next, add ice to the shaker and shake vigorously, infusing the cocktail with a cool and refreshing chill. Once the ingredients are perfectly blended, strain the mixture into a copper mug filled with crushed ice. Now, prepare to add a touch of magic to this mystical creation. With a graceful hand, top the mixture with the effervescence of ginger beer. As the bubbles dance upon the surface, gently stir to ensure a harmonious marriage of flavors. To elevate the enchantment, adorn the cocktail with a sprinkle of edible glitter. As the glitter sparkles, it adds an element of mystique to the presentation, capturing the essence of the mystical mule. Finally, crown this extraordinary creation with a lime wedge on the rim of the mug, a delightful invitation to indulge. The Mystical Mule is a premium cocktail that promises to transport your senses to a realm of pure delight. With its tantalizing fusion of blueberry, lime, and ginger, this bewitching concoction is sure to cast a spell on your taste buds. So, whether you're hosting a magical themed gathering or simply seeking a moment of enchantment, the Mystical Mule is your gateway to a truly extraordinary cocktail experience. Cheers to the magic in every sip.